Well, if you guys haven't noticed, we are actually finally officially back. I mean, officially back this time, not screwing around being back, but officially back. So if you haven't watched the Euro 2.0 video, link in the description below, and this is our first unboxing in 2 years.
Yeah.
Don't even know if I know all the terms anymore still. So we're gonna have fun with this. Let's see how this goes. All right, so we got the Redcat
It's the Everest Gen7 Pro.
There you go, nailed it, babe. All right, so we got that down. All right, we're doing so good so far, guys.
We're doing good so far.
Doing good so far. All right, let's get this thing out of the box.
Let's open it up.
And I'll tell you what, this thing is pretty heavy.
It's like Christmas.
And I would like to say thank you to Redcat for
Huge shout out to Redcat.
Yeah, huge shout out to Redcat for sending this to us after we haven't been active for about
forever?
a year to 2 years maybe.
Forever. Let's just say forever.
Yeah, it's been a while. But there's a reason. Oh, we're on a new couch too. New setting, new background, new house. This is where I moved in.
This is a new location.
Jeremy and I finally moved in together, so it's really nice. If you guys want like a tour of the house or something like that, and we can go ahead and do that on camera if you want to, or whatever. Any kind of suggestions you guys want to see, put them up in the comments below.
Hold on, I hold, and you hold. The holding is very good. Is your pulling? There you go.
All right,
there you go. Hold on. I don't. There we go.
All right.
Here's the stickers we were talking about.
Manual. Make sure to read the manual as always.
I lost a sheet of stickers under the couch.
If you want to. And we got zip ties once again.
All right, so while you're doing the zip ties, this is one thing we thought was really cool. We were excited that we ended up with the green one. And then you can see on the box, there's all these different colors you could do if you wanted to run stickers down the side. And we really like these wood ones. I just thought that would be so much fun. And when you see them actually on there, it looks really cool. Reminds me of like those classic big wagons that have the wood panel on the
that's
side.
Exactly what I want.
I love it.
The old Jeep wagons.
So those will be going on.
Excuse our coffee table for being a little bit dirty right now.
I don't think they can even see.
So this thing, the weight of it is extremely surprising. The weight is mostly in the front, which is going to be great for a crawler. I think the body looks pretty sick. Like first impressions, body looks pretty badass.
It's really clean.
It's really surprising. Like I said, surprisingly heavy in the front.
Yeah.
The suspension feels good, but you don't really know how that is until you get it out on the trail. But
didn't you hear that?
Sounds
literally the only
amazing.
thing that needs to be done to this car for it to crawl really well.
Yep, I was talking to one of the guys at Hobbytown and a bunch of the guys at the, can't remember the group that crawls out here, but he was saying that you just take this top, the top tire off and it crawls a whole lot better. We don't need to open any of that stuff. It's just, no, we don't need to open this.
Well, then you know what's in it.
There's a manual and a couple little parts and a bind plug.
Got a bind plug, got an antenna.
So, one cool thing about this is, let me see if I can do this here.
Velcro.
Velcro's on.
Velcro's awesome. It's awesome on shoes. It's awesome on cars. You can't go
Velcro
wrong.
is not awesome on shoes.
Velcro is awesome on shoes.
When you're in the 3rd grade.
It makes it a lot easier than tying them.
So as you can see, we haven't changed, guys. We're our normal selves.
No.
All right, so it does have a cage underneath here to protect the body and everything underneath it. Jeramy may do a body for this one. I think this body is pretty much cool enough to where she's not going to need to do a body for him.
I don't think Jeramy will be doing a body.
Yeah, she said she's not going to do a body.
Because this one is really cool, and I love it with the wood grain. You don't need to touch it.
Oh, one of the... Can you hold that up for me?
No, you don't need to hold it up for you. Why? What does it come with?
I don't know.
Look at this little...
Surprises, surprises.
Put it right in here.
That's some innovation by Redcat right there, I would say.
Right in there, and boom.
I like it.
There you go.
All right, so one of the reasons it is so heavy in front, I didn't know this was in here already, is this NIMH battery, but a LiPo battery, they're decently heavy too. You get a
7.2 volt, 3000 mAh.
That's what this is.
That's
not the LiPo. And
that's
the only screw up, Redcat, the only screw up you guys did on this was these kind of plugs right here. These kind of plugs are out of date. We don't want to see these kind of plugs in the RC world anymore. Or talking about like XT90s, XT60s, something like that, probably.
Or some Deans.
Just maybe some Deans. But
plastic
yeah,
Deans.
This is a big no.
Well,
These are banana plugs. They suck.
Banana plugs.
I hate banana plugs.
Well, I like
Cannot
the name.
stand them.
I like the name.
But anyway, so it's got a decent size decent sized battery tray. The battery tray is actually a metal battery tray with Velcro straps. So they've made this thing very easy to get access to pretty much everything. You have extremely easy access to your servo right in here. So it's got a front mounted servo, so that's always a plus on a crawler. You have what's got a 5. Let's see. Since it's been 2 years, guys, forgive me. I'm reading off the box for a little bit. All right. So one of the things I did want to mention, and oh yes, I did want to mention this. So it does have. It's got 1.9s, of course, but they are going to be
the real
a steel bead lock. So they're an actual bead lock, and they come with licensed
really nice.
Interco. Super Swampers, or there's Super Swampers, licensed Interco Super Swampers, and they actually feel really, really good. Yeah, they don't feel too bad, but like I said, unboxings just kind of have, this is the car, this is what it is. You don't really know what it is until you get it out on the trail and actually start playing with it. It comes with a 550 brush motor as well. The ESC.
It's all waterproof.
It's all waterproof. It's a waterproof ESC. One thing I was going to say is it is LiPo ready, so you can put a LiPo battery in there. I'm going to have to do a little bit of research reading the manual. That's why I said read the manual to make sure if I can do a 2S or a 3S in there. I'm guessing it's probably just a 2S. So there's that. So that's kind of a little bit of the technical stuff.
It's got metal links.
Yeah, it's got. So I'm just going to give you a close up of this underneath here. No sliders, no nothing like that for this one, guys. This is just a nice little quick unboxing to try and get back and try to get our feelers in there. Oh yeah, when you see the car, it pretty much sells itself.
It is on point. There's really nothing you have to do to it. I mean, even if you didn't have a battery, you didn't have a charger, you didn't have a radio, you can still drive this car right out of the box. It has all of them. It has the charger, it has the battery, it has the radio, and so that's perfect for somebody who maybe just wants a car and then realizes, oh crap, I don't have any batteries for this car.
And it's at a good price point. I think it's either because there's two different versions of this. There's the non-pro and then the pro. I think there's maybe $100 difference. So I'm not sure if this is $279 or $379, but link in the description below to Redcat's website so you can buy this if you would like. So yeah, all metal links. It's got a steel skid plate on it, which is a whole lot better than the plastic ones, I believe personally. It's got covers. It's got inner fender covers for you, just like a real actual truck would. The scale on this thing is just absolutely phenomenal. I mean, we'll just have to see how the electronics perform and stuff, but they seem like great electronics. Even everything on top is
just, I mean, they went to town on this one.
So we got to put this thing back.
You've got a snorkel, and even the freaking mirrors, they go in and out.
Oh, there it is.
Reminds me of your last truck. Reminds me of your F-150.
Oh yeah, the mirrors. It's really cool.
Yeah.
It's just this little scale feature, but my mirrors on my F-150, my old F-150, don't have that car anymore. If you go and watch the old video, you can see my new car. It's nice.
Yeah, they just fold in. It's it's just the little details like that.
Little detail like that.
That just set it apart.
Little snorkel here. You got a little shovel up here, and I cannot see what the bottom part is.
Even, you said the gas can?
You got a shovel and a little axe, it looks like.
What the heck is that?
That's a jack.
Looks like a side bazooka.
So this was what separates me and Jeramy in age. She probably hasn't seen a jack like this ever in her entire life.
Not one that long. A jack is supposed to be able to go underneath your car.
So it comes with the mock little jack, some gas cans and stuff like that.
Don't lift up my car. It comes with AAA, man.
It comes with a place where you can put a light bar. I think it's a cool place to put a light bar. We may get one for up here, but it's just got a little reflective mirror on it right now.
It's got a tow hitch. It's got its own tow hitch, and you can actually use it.
It does have its own tow hitch. It's really cool. So we can get this to you. See, tow hitch right there. Some shackles in the back. Shackles in the front. Like I said, all metal links. So I'm getting a little closer in here for you guys. Tires looking great. Rims look great. There's the roof rack right there. It just looks absolutely amazing.
I mean, because since we're only going based off of looks right now, out of the box, I would say this is one of the best.
And you know me from back in the day, I was not a Redcat guy.
Yeah, he was not.
So I really had to look at this one before I said yeah to it. And it is, I mean, I think I'm going to start becoming a Redcat guy because some of their bashers they have out there. I can't remember the basher that I want really bad. I was just showing Jamera the other night. I think it was a Truggy, but
oh yeah,
definitely.
We got a lot of cars.
Yeah, we got a lot of cars. We counted 33 cars, yep. So it comes with a small charger for your NIMH battery as well that it comes with. I don't really recommend using these chargers. I recommend buying an aftermarket charger because these things just plug into the wall. There's no regulation, especially if you're using, well, you can't use a LiPo with this, but...
It only comes with banana plugs.
Well, that's because the battery only has banana plugs.
Yes.
But
I want to say banana plug because now I know what banana
so it's just got a charging light when the charging is... I'm not going to explain this little charger. You need a different charger.
We're not going to explain the charger.
Okay.
But you can use that charger. If you don't have all that
other
stuff, you can use that charger. It's going to charge the car up and go.
You're just going to have to wait a little bit longer, but... You know, the batteries and crawlers last for a long time, so it's not a big deal.
Yeah.
The radio it comes with, of course, is 2.4 gig.
Can I see what watch?
Can I get it off here?
Nope. That's the kicker of all of it.
Oh, just pops up. Okay, so it's got your steering, reverse, normal throttle. Yep. All your steering trims, throttle trim, dual rate steering, which is nice. This it's an alright radio, but I mean it's a get you by radio. It's a good starter radio. Actually, you know what? Actually, a lot of the radios nowadays are just good enough that come with the car. But they did send us another radio that I'm going to be doing another unboxing on. And that's going to be a separate one, so I can actually dive into this and do a proper unboxing, kind of show you guys how it functions and stuff like that. It's the FSGT5 by FlySky. It is a 6-channel freaking radio, which is cool as hell. And I'm not sure how many, not sure the model memory on it, but that's for you to find out in a later video.
I love that.
It is, it's really cool.
Can everybody go Velcro like this? It would make things so much easier.
It would, and and it's got a steel chassis. What did you call it?
Brace?
Steel chassis brace. There you go. Why can't I figure out the word brace? So steel chassis braces, and it's got fully, like, the shocks have so many positions. It's ridiculous.
Adjustable like crazy.
The shock positions are just nuts. You can see them right in there.
Checking over, see if we.
But there's a lot that you can't see, and I don't think we have missed anything.
Ooh, it has a metal spool and ring gear. For your axle carrier. So.
Well, that should be a standard.
But we've dealt with plastic before.
Yeah,
we have dealt with plastic in cars.
True. A lot of them
and it being
plastic.
coming off just metal, that's nice.
And then, like I said, it has a 3mm steel ladder frame chassis.
Yep.
Steel electronics bridge, which I already mentioned. Multi-suspension configuration, I just said that one. And I guess the chassis was designed by BPC Custom and tuned by TG2. So
yeah, they put a lot of thought into this.
Yeah, they did.
And you can see it. You can see it in the quality and just the all over.
I think
car.
this is a lot of what
they did good.
A lot of crawlers should be out of the box instead of. Sorry to say it once again. Axial takes quite a bit of work out of the box. I don't know about the new ones. I haven't had any of the new, the Axial 2.0 or anything like that. I would love to get my hands on one to try it, but I'd say this thing, just by looks and everything, I would say it looks just as good a quality as the Traxxas TXR4, if not a little bit better. In my opinion, it looks better than the Axial that was released on the market, the 2.0 a while back. I had seen that in Hobbytown just because of the size of the metal links, and it's got steel drive shafts on it and all that good stuff. You're not dealing with any plastic on this thing.
Even the paint job is sparkly.
Yeah, the paint job is it's good. I mean,
you guys crushed it.
Yeah,
you guys crushed it.
They really nailed it. I never thought those words would come out of my mouth, but
yeah, we've converted one.
I've been converted to Redcat.
Gotta keep your mind open, guys, because in the RC hobby industry, things are always changing. Companies are always changing, trying to, one up the other person, and always figuring things out, and you never know what they're going to come out with. So don't just write off a company maybe because you didn't like a car or something like that, because they might just blow you away and you might miss it.
Yep, and the smaller companies, I would say, are making huge comeback, I think.
Definitely.
And Traxxas, I won't even get into that right now because that's just rambling and ranting and, well, not ranting, but just rambling.
And rambling is what we're working on not doing. So let's wrap this up. So the next video, we are going to be taking this bad boy out tomorrow because we've got hockey on tonight, guys. Stanley Cup.
Yeah, we got to watch hockey tonight.
So tomorrow,
Go Golden Knights.
Go Golden Knights. We are going to be playing with this one out on the trails.
Yep, we're going to take it out to the trails. We're going to take it out to, what's the park we go to?
That one?
So if anybody's watching in Spokane, you can meet us out there. We'll be out there tomorrow. What is it called?
Bowl and Pitcher?
No, the Joseph Shields.
Joseph Shields Park.
Joseph Shields Park, yeah. We'll be out there tomorrow. Not sure what time. If you guys, any of you guys are watching that are from Spokane, you're headed out there, comment down below. And maybe we'll give you a time when we're out there. We can meet up.
It's not called Joseph Shields.
I think that's what it's called. But yeah, so.
We just go. We don't really
If you're going to be out and
anything.
about, I know some of the guys from the INSC. I can always forget the Facebook group's name, but yeah, they go out there and crawl a lot. So if any of you guys are watching, feel free. Let's meet up tomorrow and we'll do some crawling. But all right, guys. So stay tuned. If you, like I said, if you haven't watched our comeback video, it's going to be in the comments below, or in the links below. Go ahead and click on that. Leave us a like and
like, comment,
from now
share,
on, like,
subscribe.
comment, subscribe on every freaking video and share the hell out of it. Like I said, we are coming back.
This is going to be full-time coming back.
Yes, this is going to be
This is gonna be
a full-time job pretty much.
Jeremy stopped his full-time job, and this is what we want to do full-time, guys.
Exactly.
If you got a dream,
I like online. I like social media, and I like doing YouTube. We're going to be doing vlogs, but we're once again rambling. So we're just going to cut it off here, guys. So thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next one.